Okay, here's the meat we got. Jerky meat from our local locker. $6.48 a pound. Okay, we're going to be making some beef jerky. We've got the recipe. We'll pop that up there to show you what we're using. This is actually from the Ninja Cookbook, but we can't find the Ninja Cookbook. We don't know where it went. Go.
Okay, you're going to need a half a cup of soy sauce. Nice little spillage there.
Yeah. Sad face.
Alright, and then you're going to need 1 tablespoon of Dove sauce. You can use either side, it doesn't matter. And save that off to the side, because you can use the other side for what else you need. We're going to skip the brown sugar. Now we're going to need a half a table.
Now you guys can you tell them how much brown sugar?
Yeah, so it's 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, but we're not doing that since we're
on a carnivore
diet. So you're going to go half tablespoon onion powder, or yeah, half tablespoon onion powder. And then you're going to do half a tablespoon of garlic powder. 1 teaspoon of paprika. You know, you can put it actually in the container.
My goodness. Now you're telling me stuff. Oh, that's so much easier.
Oh my word.
I'm a beginner.
1/8 of a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. That's the itty bitty baby.
Oh my gosh.
A little a little bit goes a long way.
Okay.
1/4 of a teaspoon of ground black pepper. And 1 teaspoon of kosher salt.
Check.
And then a half a teaspoon of cinnamon.
Check.
Okay.
That cinnamon
Now
smells
get
good.
one of those whisks and maybe whisk it up.
I'm gonna whisk away. Water wabbit.
I think that's good.
I am good. So I'm gonna cover this with a plate. Okay, so we are going to try to cut this up in pieces.
I forgot about that. At least it thawed out pretty good.
Yeah, it's actually maybe good.
Maybe easier that way.
Yeah. And then I can thaw out the rest tonight.
I'm super excited about this.
I hope it works good.
Yeah, because beef jerky is expensive, and it's especially expensive when you try and find without sugar and, you know, all the things that make it taste better.
Tell them about your beef sticks.
Yeah, so I got the Chomps beef sticks at Walmart, and you get 8 sticks for $16.
So that's $2 a stick.
And I bought 2 packages.
$2 a stick.
They're good, I will say that. They're better than any of the other sugar-free beef sticks we've tried, but they're not affordable.
Okay. Now let's separate this, and I will cut this way.
This is going to be our first time doing jerky on the Ninja Woodfire.
Yeah, just try to get them, close to the same size pieces.
And you can do, if you want to do smaller pieces, cut it however you want.
Okay, I think that's good. Separated from birth.
too. It got me.
Oh no. Well, handy dandy me this other one. I
Yeah.
can throw it in there.
It's actually a stand for these for meal prep.
Well,
Holds it up.
surprised can't find it.
I
Surprised
can't
not,
be the only person.
surprised not surprised.
Oh my gosh, this.
Fly, get shoe
My
fly.
gosh. It's asking for
Oh, I'm gonna kill that thing.
it.
I got a salt
I can't
gun.
wait for winter and get
and
rid of
it's
all
dead.
these stupid bugs.
He's dead. You're dead. You're dead to me. Okay. Other half. Then what you want to do is you want to close it almost all the way. Get some of your air out. Shut it all the way. And then mix it in there real good. Yours looks like a bunch of... What are you doing?
Well, I flatten it out so they all.
Look how good mine look. This is... I want to put this as Eric's bag.
Well,
and
you've already
Amanda's
messed it
bag.
up.
You messed yours up. Mine's better. Alright. Throw these in the fridge overnight. And we will see you guys tomorrow for the fun, the show of making some jerky.
We'll see you tomorrow.
Bye.
Bye. It is the next day.
Next day. I was just told that some people leave these off until they put their meat on. So they get more of the smoke flavor in there.
Do you have the pellets in there already?
No, I'll put them in after.
Oh,
That's
okay.
what I'm saying.
Okay.
Is so we're gonna try to put the meat on there first. And I think what I'm gonna do, I think I could just dump it out.
Sure.
There we go.
That smells good.
A big glob. And then we're gonna just separate them up here. And this is about a pound. We had 2 pounds of meat, but I don't think it's gonna all fit.
Hopefully we have enough time today to do both. It's only 9 o'clock, so we'll see.
And it's gonna take about 5 hours, I believe, is what they said. And we'll try to tell you exactly how long it. And definitely, trying this out, I do not want to do all of it at once.
Yeah,
anyways.
it definitely would not have fit all in there.
Well, because if it doesn't turn out very good,
Yeah.
we can maybe,
Do something different.
yes.
Those are the perfect pieces.
Yeah,
Great
kind of
job.
like those ones that we get
Yeah.
with Sam's Club.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm gonna close this, and I will be back with you in a second.
Okay.
Learned a thing about these, like I cannot pull it from up here. It gets stuck. So just push it from the bottom a little bit and then pull this out, and then you can clean it out. Easy peasy.
There was another bag in there. Did you get the other?
Yeah,
one?
we'll mix them up, I guess.
Yeah.
It's gonna be a mix.
That just makes it even better.
Okay, now on this one, you got your phone on you.
I do not. You
Uh,
get it?
I think what we need to do is maybe try it in the app, or let me see. Dehydrate 150, and we're gonna do time. How low can we go? Oh, as low as we want. It's a big decision. So let's go to, most people have been saying it's been taking like 5 hours, 4.5, 5 hours, something like that. We got Woodfire, and let's press start. And there it ignites.
Boy, we have some delicious beef jerky in about 5 hours. So we'll see you then.
The jerky
Oh.
is done. And this was, we set it for 4.5 at 150. It says they go 6, but I don't know. I don't think we're gonna need it. I think next time we're gonna put it on. We got a rack. We're gonna try to put it on. See if it fits.
Smells good.
What time did we start this? At 8:30. And it is.
Yeah. Maybe. I don't know.
I think so, or 9.
It is 1:42.
1:42. So we may have time to do more. See how this is first.
We definitely need to do it because I don't want it to sit in the fridge.
Yeah.
So.
Okay.
All right.
Let's go inside. Well, let me try a piece out here. Yeah, that's jerky.
Good. Thumbs up.
No, I want to try different.
Some more flavors.
Which we left out
Right. The brown sugar.
sugars. So. Maybe try the brown sugar. But, yeah, it's a lot cheaper than buying it.
All right.
All
Like
right.
and subscribe and ring the bell to get notified. And we'll catch you on the next review. Bye.
Bye.